So one of the reasons why today I wanted to get out and
head southeast toward East Herd Lane
is to, first of all, get these, my new headphones, and also to kind of get some ideas that I had in mind for the channel. So one thing about the channel that I was definitely thinking about doing is making it in such a way that you're kind of seeing the journey of the photos. So like right now,
head southeast toward East Herd Lane
on just a walk. I've got my camera here, and I've got my 60mm camera on macro lens on, and I'm just out walking around, and I'm trying to remember to photograph everything that I'm seeing, as well as watching where the heck I'm going right now. And but anyway, it's just more of showing people the journey of how I make my photos from the start. And so I'm hoping that it's not just a teaching experience or an educational experience for everyone, but that it's an inspirational experience.
Head southeast toward East Herd Lane.
Part of photography is just having fun with light. I mean, you're literally painting with light. So basically just having fun, trying to do different things, walking around, and see what there is out in the world, because there's a lot to explore still. If not for anything else, and for personal reasons. So anyway, that's one of the reasons why I wanted to go and do this walk. So, all right.